Beginning the 19th of July, the Naval Postgraduate School's Naval Warfare Studies Institute and the Institute for Creative Technologies at USC will offer NPS faculty, staff, students, and our partners the opportunity to learn from the masters how to create and tell a compelling story about the past, the present, and the future. Join Captain Rick Arthur, the OIC of the Force Writers Room and Hollywood scriptwriter, along with other notable movie and television industry creative professionals for this first-ever event. Register today through the Naval Warfare Studies Institute's website or email nwsi@nps.edu. Tell your story.